Hi, I'm Lynne with Soft Squares. Today I'm going to do the Happy Hallows block of the month. We are working on block 3. This is something you can buy the pattern through me, or you can get the kit, which will give you the same fabrics that I'm using. It will still look just like this when you're done. So, block 3 is the witch's hat. And we're making 2 of these. And I've got all my fabric already cut up. Here's my fabric. I've got my markers, stickers. So fabric I is this dark gray. So I'm going to put an eye on it. These stickers are the Lori Holt stickers, also found at softsquares.com. But I love them. There's way more here than one package worth. I just, as you can tell, keep using the upper part of the alphabet and have to keep moving around. Okay, so both of these are I. There's 2 different sizes. This fabric is J. Take from you. And this is K. Now, when you get the fabric from me, I tell you on the fabric itself the size of the cut that's recommended for the quilt, so it'll show you the size that it is. It will also tell you the name of what I'm using, and I'm using confetti cotton from Riley Blake. And if you, where did it go? Look on this, when you get your kit, you'll see that I've written in the Riley Blake colors, and then they've got their colors. And so on your stickers that you will get, this is all my leftover fabric, there's a lot of it. You'll get this. So letter L, the confetti cotton name is parsley, and then the pattern called for 1/4 of a yard. Again, these are all extras. All extras, and I'm holding on to this, and I have found so far I have needed to cut off of that, so sometimes things just happen. All right. So everything in this quilt is really easy. There's only 3 techniques. There's strip piecing, because as you can see, everything starts out as a strip. There's stitch and flip, and there's half square triangles. That is it. That's all that it takes to make all of these cute little blocks. They are not paper pieced. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Now, I've already made blocks 1 and 2. If you're just now catching this series, go back and watch the first couple, and let's see what we can get from here. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around so it faces me. Oh, I should show you. I've got my blocks 1 and 2 here already. Here's block 1, and here's block 2, pumpkin. And I've got 2 of each. I want to point something out. On your instructions, there's some cut marks, but it does have little asterisks next to some of the numbers. And what that means is you can use larger fabric to cut down because you're going to be trimming. So I'm actually going to leave it at the larger, but just so you know, you'll see that throughout here, and they're just telling you that you if you like to make things bigger and trim down, then you can do that. Otherwise, the measurement that's there is for making it smaller. Telling me to save this and put it in block 9. And I have all my blocks sitting over here already, ready to go. So let me put it in there. We're going to take this one. got carried away and I made a whole bunch of these and I don't need them. And this is too short. So all of these little pieces I can't use, but maybe later, I don't know. So I'm coming in here and I'm looking for my J fabric. Okay. I got that. It's the right width, right? Actually, it's a little wide. 3/4 is this one. This is going back in here, except we're gonna need a bigger piece of something. I'll come back for it. There's supposed to be a leftover piece of this if you didn't cut it wrong, and that's supposed to be added to block 10. So I'm gonna just wait until I get there and cut from this, because that's the same, and we'll be fine. Last cut 2 from this. And that's that. This is leftover, which I will put in here. We're gonna do half square triangles and get 2 out of that. And then one will go on one hat and one will go on the other hat. 3 J's. J is green, so it's this one. Okay, we're gonna do that. Out of the dark gray that's left, I need 2 of them. And then we are gonna put these on 3 corners, like that. And we're just gonna put it on the corner, so corner to corner, and then cut this part, fold it back, and you have a square. We're not making 2, doing the stitch and flip. So that's what these 2 are gonna be. This is gonna be 2 half square triangles. So we'll take that to the machine at the same time. So, oh, and then it's telling us to build something. So let's sew. Let's get that far. These up, but these are going to be like that. So I'm just seeing which way to do it. The paper actually says there'll be a 1/4 of an inch difference between one side to the other, and I'm trying to figure out what that is. Going to attach like this, and this is going to go like this. you what's going on here. So I trimmed my little half square triangle a teeny bit too narrow, so I centered it on here by a 1/4 inch, but that 1/4 inch makes a difference. So now that I've centered it, I'm just gonna have to do a scant 1/8 of an inch seam. As you can see, I was making 2 at a time until I realized this block is in upside down, so I have to unpick it. So I'm going to do that all by myself. But here's our block. Here's our witch's hat. And I will be making the next block. Stick around for that one.